Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi A5 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes, and let me begin with, I think, the most interesting one, which is not really that much technical. So the code is *## 64663 ###. So here we are in the hardware test. So basically at the same time you can have a little bit fun with your device and check all of the components of it. So for example, you can check the SAR sensor, you can check the fingerprint, the battery indicator, you can check the microphone, vibration, display, touch sensor, etc. So let me show you how it works. So let's maybe tap on version info, and as you can see here we've got the information about the IMEI number, for example, PSN, build number, baseband version, etc. So as you can see, we've got also the options which are the most important highlighted. So basically, if you can see all of those information, you simply mark it as pass. It will automatically go to another section, so for example the SD card, but no worries, you can simply go back. As you can see, after passing, you will have this tick icon. So let me choose maybe touch sensor. Let's tap on it. As you can see here, we've got those grids, those squares and rectangles, and basically all we have to do is to just drag the line all across all of those squares, figures, let's say, in order to check whether we have this touch sensor working. So not the diagonal ones, here and here. As you can see, everything is all right. So let's try to move those. Right, we've got green. Of course, green indicates that the that this area works. So here we've got also the color test. If you can see the red color is all across the screen without any kind of white missing spots or black missing spots, then everything is all right. So just mark it as next. The same situation with the green one, again next. The blue one, next. Okay, and we can mark it as pass. We can go back. Let me go back. Why can I go back? Okay, volume down, power. Works, good. Okay, we've got it. So here we've got the hardware test, and to be honest, I highly recommend to check this section to, as I said, have fun with your device and also check the components if everything works perfectly fine. You can also use this code, especially in the situation if you feel that something is wrong with your device, so you can check it right here. All right. So another code to check the IMEI information, it is *#06#, and thanks to it we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK. Another code, and those will be technical ones, the testing mode. It is *## 4636 ###. Here we are in the testing, so we can check basically the technical information about our device, so phone information like phone number, for example, data service, voice network type, etc. Of course, you will be able to see all of those informations if you've got your SIM card inserted. Here you can run ping test and check the results, and tap on the 3 dots icon. Here you can also enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. Usage statistics, so basically here we should have the list of apps which are currently on this device, but for some reason from I don't know, a year or something like that, the devices do not show the usage statistics, all of them, regardless of the model or the brand. So here also Wi-Fi information, for example, status, configuration, API. We can check the network state, SSID, and network ID. We can run ping test here also. Let's go back, and another code for the calendar information, it is *## 225 ###. So here another technical option for the calendar infos. Basically here the events are gathered in one place. You can check family events, holidays in your country, or events attached to your mail. As you can see, unfortunately we cannot tap on the specific sections. You can simply check how many events you've got in a specific category. Let's go back, and the last code, it should open the diagnostics, which is provided by Google. It is *## 426 ###. And here we are in the diagnostics, so you can check the server host port time connected. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the 3 dots icon, we can also show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status, and here we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.